What's up, y'all? Stupid night ride here. We got a Foreman, a Rubicon, and a Honda 300 trying to do some crazy levee trail around a lake that no one had done in a year, and we were doing it in opposite direction. And Brian knew what the trail was kind of, so we kind of got on and off of it. It's a lot of washout, so we flipped over two of the machines. The camera died towards the end, but I got a little bit of shots of the second flip. But yeah, it was nuts. A great time. I love trails like this because they're not flat, and Florida's usually so flat and boring. Oh!
Hey, I didn't eat it. I just took a second.
Dude, you just straddled like the biggest tree ever. You and your dang independent suspension.
Hey, you're blowing up everything.
Yeah, I know.
Is that alright?
Ah! All right, so we're now in some pretty dense woods. Let me turn the lights on so you see what I'm talking about. We thought there was a trail through here, but I'm starting to think there isn't. There's a creek behind me I was able to cross. They're over there, but I don't see much of a trail. Yep, here's a trail. All right. Whoa! The mighty Foreman, just a mind of its own.
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah.
You about to get up
Dude! Oh, this is awesome! Whoa!
You good?
Ouch!
Did you fall?
No, I smoked a culvert. Oh yeah, I fell.
Back face first?
Yeah, I'm good though. Dude, is the camera rolling? Oh yes.
Hey, dude. I think
It's fine. It's the cooler's draining. It's all right. It's all good.
see, we're on the left side.
There is a cooler down here. There is a culvert down here
We're
though.
on the left side.
So you know where we're at?
Yeah, I kinda. We just need to get to the right. Did it break anything?
No, it's all good. Your winch? Dude, it's doing an absolute stoppie right now. It's 90 degrees.
Huh?
It's 90 degrees right now, literally.
The pond's right over there to the right,
Yeah.
but we're supposed to go around the right side of the pond. This is a washout point, this is.
So what do we do?
I don't know.
It won't take much.
You don't think so?
Nah.
Dude, that trigger's like straight down. Yeah, you found the hole.
Dude, but like the funny thing was, like there was no warning because the grass is so high.
It just went straight down.
You might want to back up a little bit, then start winching on me, and then once I get a little more level, I'll try to start it because I know the roll angle sensor is gonna be mad at first. All right, go ahead. So we're trying to find this super old cool trail. The problem is it's dark and it's very overgrown. I already fell off like one 10-foot drop off, so I've decided not to go in the front. Pretty sure I broke my snorkel or the rack. Another drop off?
Hey, Christian, next time I say we want to go down technical trail, say no.
Well, I love technical trails. I'm still having fun. I just hope you're all right. I mean, we only flipped two bikes over. It ain't too bad. Only one.